Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint your MatchID passport. First, navigate to the official MatchID platform. You will need to connect your digital wallet, such as MetaMask, to the platform. Make sure your wallet contains enough cryptocurrency, typically a small amount of Ethereum or Polygon, to cover the network transaction fees. This initial step is crucial for a smooth minting process, ensuring you are ready for the next stages. Next, you will be prompted to enter your personal details. It is vital to provide accurate information to ensure your passport's validity. The platform will then guide you through an identity verification process, which might involve uploading a government-issued identification document. This step typically takes a few minutes to complete and helps maintain the security and integrity of the MatchID ecosystem for all users. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have provided. Double-check your personal details and ensure your connected wallet is correct. You will see a summary of the transaction, including the minting fee, which is usually a small, fixed amount. Once satisfied, confirm the transaction within your digital wallet, typically requiring one click to approve the smart contract interaction. Congratulations! After confirmation, your MatchID passport will be minted on the blockchain. This process usually completes within 1 to 2 minutes, depending on network congestion. You can then access your unique digital passport directly within your connected cryptocurrency wallet. Your MatchID passport is now ready to be used across various decentralized applications and platforms that integrate with the MatchID protocol, unlocking new possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.